Hello there, everybody. This is Mizuki here, part of the DDC.
And the boy Kai from the DDC, aka Fane, aka Edgy, aka Shadow, aka Sonic, aka Broly, aka Darth Maul, Anakin, Vader. List goes on and on and on.
Indeed, it does.
And yes, yet again, we have the Red Panda here.
Yes. God dang it!
Hello.
Hi. And today we're going to be opening this. With Babe's permission, I have permission to open this, but I do plan on getting him another one but he can open one.
Yes.
So,
she asked me, I said yes. It's not like she be like, oh yeah, by the way, I'm opening this and you can't do nothing because, you know, yeah.
Yada 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 yada.
Me. What the fuck? What do you mean?
You can't do nothing about it. Let me get this typed out real quick while. Okay.
It's totally going to be edited out of the video.
Yeah, when I'm editing.
Wait, you can edit? I didn't know.
Hey! Sir!
I'm picking on you. I'm picking on you.
I know, but still, sir.
Madam.
Sir.
Madam Optifoof.
Sir Wolfie Fluffington the Third.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I got knighted? Let's go.
I can imagine Justice just dying in the background right now.
Nah, I'm just kind of watching.
Oh, you just watching, Beesh?
Yeah.
Take part. It's okay, take part.
It's okay to talk. You're not a bother, sir. I will boot the fuck out of you.
I just didn't know what you say. I'm just kind of watching you guys.
I do.
Tiny is seriously watching you.
Hi. Meanwhile, Snowball's down here. Okay, let's carefully open this here without me spreading cards everywhere.
Going kaboom.
Yeah.
You got sleeves?
Yeah, it actually comes with sleeves.
Okay. Those. Okay.
Yeah.
Those can be used. Okay, those can be used for right now until we can get them the better sleeves.
Yeah. This is the code card. I'm keeping that. Let me get the sleeves open. That way I can sleeve them. So one of the promos is this Charmeleon. If it camera will.
Charmeleon.
The cat. Put it over my face. Yeah. There we go. It focused in better. Gonna have to pull what other YouTubers do when they do Pokemon cards. Put the card over your face. It works better.
Let's go.
And here is Charmander.
Charmander,
Snowball buddy. I don't know how you fit in that little spot, but you somehow manage it, sir. And then
the big boy.
The big boy, which is a terrestrialized Charizard. Full art.
Makes Charizard noises. Unfortunately, I can't voice that Charizard.
You can do Charmander and Charmeleon, but can't do Charizard.
Yeah, I know.
Someone's tired. I heard the yawn of the red panda. Okay, so this is the acrylic stand.
What's the acrylic stand for?
To put this in.
Oh.
If I can get it out. But let me see if I can pretty much. Why? Why did they do this? Ah. must I do this? Oh, dang it. And it's a magnetic one. A magnetic one I just dropped in the floor.
GG.
Good job, so. Which I think you can put this in here with... No, you can't. You would have to take it out of the sleeve, but yeah. It's supposed to go like this and then over it. But you can't put it in there with this. Yeah.
I'm keeping it in the sleeve.
So... Once you get it in here, though, it's supposed to set up like that.
Oh, cool. Now for a piece of resistance.
Yes. The Obsidian Flames. 2 Obsidian Flames packs, 2 Paldea Evolved, and 2 Scarlet and Violet packs.
So, 6 packs total.
Yep. 6 packs
Let's go.
total. They're all right here.
Yes.
Guess we'll start with the base set of Scarlet and Violet here. I don't know the card trick for this though. This is the thing. I don't know the card trick.
If I remember correctly, it's like the Japanese. You gotta flip it. I can't remember if it's like the Japanese where you have to flip the back over to the front. I can't remember.
Well, I'm gonna do this that way I don't see the code card, and then take 1 from the back.
Maybe no. I think it's 3 from the back.
I'm gonna look here. No, it's 1. It's 1. Okay. It's 1.
Okay, so we got a electric energy.
And then a Dollarville.
Or
Oh, Quaxley! It's the dog! Oh, Bisharp. Well, Pawnyard. I was thinking of its evolution. Crush Hammer. The Flamingo.
The flamingo.
Flamigo. Fortress. Rocky Helmet.
Reminds me of Mega Man.
Houndor.
Punch me.
Houndstone. And for your work, you got Skeledurs, which is Fuecoco's final evolution.
Ironic.
As
That's
a
the story I
hollow.
chose.
Yeah, as a whole.
My
Let me
derpy
get that
little-
sleeve.
My derpy little crocodile friend.
Yeah, derpy little crocodile.
Who's in fan art is best friends with Totodile.
Yes. Which is Justin's favorite star.
eh?
Totodile.
Oh.
Okay, so it's 1 from the back. Got it. With these be confusing. Okay, so put that there. 1 from the back. Oh, we're starting our grass energy.
Grass energy.
Toad's cool. Sandile. Houndor. Houndoom.
Houndoom.
I meant Houndoom. Pidole.
Oh.
Breloom. Yeah, I got that one right.
I would love the
Kilowatt.
I would love the Growlithe. I mean the Arcanine.
Green Dent. Settledial. Pinecoal. And...
Ooh, we got a
you
full
got a
art-
full art of
trainer.
Jock!
Yeah, we got a full art trainer.
Sleep. Sleep! You can sleep that. No. That goes in sleep. Sleep. That's a full art trainer. Okay, now we're moving on to Paldea Evolved. Which I think's the same card trick, I think. Yep, same card trick. Got you. Got you. Also, I think we got something in this.
Oh.
Magnemite.
Magnemite?
Ah, the phalanx! Combi. Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff.
Jupiter!
Let's go.
Oh! Hi, Faulkner! Swiper.
Sniper.
Fuecoco!
It's my favorite.
Oh, we ain't done yet. Hold on. Watchroll. And... we ended up on a hollow Hydreigon.
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, those hollows nowadays don't really mean crap.
No, it's about the full arts, but I still sleeve them
And,
regardless.
Well, yeah, it's all about the GXs, VMAXs, alt arts, full arts.
Yeah. Okay. So it's the same pack. Okay, this pack was wanting to be difficult. Oh my god. I saw what the second card's gonna be after the energy. You guys are gonna be happy. So is Cardi and Andrea if they watch this.
Oh my god, it's a dude!
It's a Paldea Wooper! Pikachu! Cupid. Krogunk. Azumarill. Vespiquen. Eskew. Oh god, it's Carney.
Yes.
A reverse Azumarill. Guy. I don't know how to say his name fully. And a Holo Rapska.
Bruh, can we pull something high?
We got a full art. That was pretty high.
Well, yeah, but like something really high.
I know, but I'm just saying we did get a full art. Which was Jog. Okay. Let's move to Obsidian Flames! Which does have a Charizard in it. From what I remember. And we're starting off with the Psychic Energy. Baltoy. Penizian. Larvesta. Fungus. Drampa. Sharpedo.
AKA Jaws.
Espeon.
Espeon.
Arven. Heatmore. And... Hollowinte!
Entei.
We got Papa!
I mean that is some nice Entei on it.
We got Papa! Just is so tired. Don't worry, I'm on the last bag.
Do I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
That's a dark energy.
Joe.
No, that's steel energy.
Is it?
Can you steal?
No, it's dark.
Okay.
Dratini. Oddish. Schwablu. Glimmet. Charmeleon. Escadrille. Pidgeotto. Baltoy. Oh! Wait! This is a double hitter pack. This is a full art Rubber Room EX
Yeah.
with a hollow scissor.
Hit on it. Let me see. Let me. I think we might have pulled an alt art.
This is an alt art.
What? Huh?
This is an alt art. Yeah, this is an alt art.
My brain can't comprehend it.
It's an alt art. Oh, dear Lord have mercy. Let me get these
The
two.
foxy proof luck has struck again.
I got a full art and an alt art out of a pack for you.
That's what we're talking about.
Let's go. Let me get all this stuff thrown away. But, I'll do this after I get done doing after. But, if you guys like the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.